Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make money with data annotation jobs. Now before we start we need to make sure that we understand what data annotation is. So basically data annotation is the process of labeling data with relevant tags to make it easier for computers to understand and interpret. So people who create AI models usually goes to Fiverr or other freelancing platforms and search for freelancers that are willing to help them train their AI models. Now, if you go to fiverr.com and then simply click on AI services, then you have to scroll down and go to data labeling and annotation. You're gonna see something similar to this. As you can see, people are doing this full time and people are earning a lot of money doing this. So if you take one of these jobs, we can take a look and see what this is all about. So as you can see, image annotation, data labeling, image segmentation. It's an easy job to do, and as you can see, you can earn a lot of money doing this. Now, I found this website here. I'm gonna show you some websites that you can use and earn money with this type of work. So if you go to Google and search for data annotation and click on the first link, this one here, dataannotation.tech, you're gonna get redirected here where you can start freelancing and earn money. And as you can see, you can earn $20 per hour with this website here. Now, if you want to get started, you'll have to simply go to their official website and then you have to simply click on get started. And here you have to apply, you have to create your account, and basically you'll be able to do this type of work that people are usually doing on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. I have another website which is toloka.ai, and as you can see, powering AI with human insight. So basically, this type of work is done to help training AI models. So people tends to use this type of services in order to train their AI models. As you can see, Hugging Face is a popular AI model that helps you create your AI model. And basically with Toloka.ai and other websites that I'm going to show to you in this video, they train their AI models to become more powerful. So as you can see, if you want to start working on Toloka, you'll have to go here and simply click on login. And as you can see, I'm ready to earn money, complete simple tasks and get paid, earn money whenever and wherever you want. Now, if you want, you can apply if you need the data for your project. As you can see, for this video, we're gonna simply click on login as a Toloker, which is this one here. And then here you'll have to simply create your account. And as you can see, choose from a variety of tasks that take 1 to 50 minutes to complete. Toloka has both a web version and a mobile app. So if you want to get earn money on your mobile phone, it's very simple. Now, in order to create an account, you'll have to simply choose any of these options here. So if you want, you can create an account using your Google account, your Facebook account, and other options here. So I'm gonna go with Google. Now here you have to enter your phone number, and then basically you'll be able to start working on this website here. And basically you're gonna get tasks like this. So basically you have to annotate the images like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple and it's really fast to complete this type of tasks, as you can see. So it doesn't need to work more than 2 hours per day and earn a high income. Now, another website that I found is this one here, which is AudioBee. So you'll have to go to google.com and search for AudioBee and then click on this first link here. And then you're gonna get redirected here. And as you can see, freelance/remote tasks for everyone from anywhere. So as you can see, you have AI services, data validation, and you have quality assurance and AI community. And as you can see, if you want, you can browse more than 300 jobs, and you can find more jobs and micro tasks sourced from other employer, similar to AudioBee. Now, if you scroll down, as you can see, earn money by doing voice recorder and language translation. So basically, here on this website, you're gonna get some scripts, and basically you'll have to translate them, or you'll have to simply record the voiceover. And as you can see, you can work from anywhere, and you're gonna get paid on time. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, we can see different benefits on working on AudioBee. As you can see, we have audio transcription, so you have transcript speech into text for a wider range of industries, segmentation, annotate audio into different segments for machine learning. So what I was talking about AI models, here you can do voice recording, so record phrases in various languages to train speech tech. So this usually works for text-to-speech AI models. Now, if you want to start working on this website, you'll have to simply click on Become a Freelancer at the top of the screen in the top right corner. And then here you'll have to simply complete this form. So you'll have to enter your first and last name. And then here you'll have to simply enter your email address. And here for native language, I really recommend you to enter English, because if you select English, the chance of getting more work and a higher paying job is going to be way higher than if you chose any other languages. So I'm going to go with English, and let's choose United States. Here you have to simply select the job type. So as you can see, for me, this is the only one available, voice recording, but depending on where you live, you're gonna get more options. Now what you'll have to do is simply create a password. So I'm gonna create a password really fast, just to show you how this website works. And then simply click on sign up. And here you'll have to simply verify your email address. So as you can see, sometimes as you can see, thank you for signing up, we have enough people for this language. So as you can see, for English, they have a lot of people. So what you can do, you can simply go to my languages here at the top, and then here you can add another language. So let's add let's see, German, like this. And then here you'll have to simply choose native, and let's add this. And if you want, you can add more languages. So let's go with Italian. Of course, you'll have to speak them. And so let's add this language too. And let's go back to AudioBee, and let's see if we have some work to do. So if you still see this message here, you'll have to add other languages. And let's see. So let's select tasks. So here we'll have to go right here and update information. And let's go back to AudioBee. And this is basically how you can make money with data annotation jobs. So if you want, you can simply add your gig here on Fiverr or other freelancing platforms, but the competition is way higher. But I usually recommend you to go with these websites here, this one here, dataannotation.tech, Tolok AI, and AudioBee, if you want to start making money with data annotation jobs. So these three websites are the best on the market right now. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.